Northern Davidson County in Middle Tennessee, southwestern Sumner County in Middle Tennessee, east central Cheatham County in Middle Tennessee, until 4 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 3:20 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Ashland City, moving east at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and $half size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Ashland City, Madison, Hendersonville, Goodlettsville, Millersville, Lakewood, Old Hickory, Jolton, Beeman Park, Bells Bend, and Whites Creek. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.